Good morning, guys. Brian from Gearhead Detailing. We're gonna do a quick wash video because Trey just got back from a 21-hour trip to Iowa. He went to Iowa, the other Idaho. So we're gonna walk around the car, show you how dirty it is, and then we're gonna show you how easy it is to clean. Hey, we're back. We spent about 10 minutes washing the car. So that's just with 2 people. So it'll probably take you about 20 minutes to do it yourself. But for 20 minutes of your time, let's check out these results. As you can guys see, the car looks amazing. Easy to clean, the shine's great. We used our wash products, OptiCoat No Rinse and OptiCoat Hyperseal, to keep the vehicle looking great. If you guys are interested in one of our amazing ceramic coatings, if you want your vehicle easy to clean, looking great all the time, give us a call, 208-866-3867, or shoot us a message over Facebook. We'd love to answer any questions that you guys have. But enjoy the shiny car.